around 600 bitcoins were stolen yesterday across 500 different cryptocurrency hardware wallets, in specific cold card hardware wallets. This was not a hack. All right, yeah, and this is another level of a wake-up call to every crypto users to pay attention. Now, what happened? Those 500 hardware wallets were not actually hacked. What happened is this: the old cold card wallet gave users a very predictable backup phrase. Yes, the backup phrase they gave those old users were very predictable. And yeah, in practical sense, backup phrase should not be something that anyone can easily guess. Okay, yeah, but those backup phrases could easily be guessed, and this was why 500 code card wallet users' funds were stolen yesterday. Now, those wallet users, the kind of backup phrase they got was something that is very easy to guess. Something like, John is a boy. Of course, we all know John is a boy. Imagine something like that. Or something like, December 25th is Christmas Day, a day to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. Very easy to guess, right? Very easy. Even without anyone telling you, you can easily guess what it is. So yeah, this was what happened to those 500 wallets that lost their bitcoins yesterday, the 31st of July. Those hardware wallets were not hacked. The wallet was just, randomly guessed, and yeah, they got it right. Good morning. Around 600 bitcoins were stolen, worth around $50 million. Like I said, it's a wake-up call for everyone in the crypto space. All right. When you are creating your wallets, pay attention to the backup phrase they are giving you. Is this something that can easily be guessed by anyone, even without them gaining access to your wallets? Okay, yeah, because people are guessing wallets. People will just, like, now, to give you a practical sense, just pick 12 random ways, import it in your wallet. You see that it will open. Okay, just do it. This is a practical for you now. Just guess any random 12 words and import it into your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet and see if that 12 words will not generate a new wallet for you. It will generate a new wallet for you. This was what they were doing. Just guessing words, and pap, a new wallet, a wallet will open, and there is funds inside the wallet, and you understand? That was what was happening. So that was what actually happened yesterday. It was not a hack. Hardware wallet still remains the most secured crypto wallets you can get, but it's very important to pay attention to the backup phrase, the seed phrase that you have been given by creating that wallet. If it's something that is vulnerable, that can easily be guessed. If it can easily be guessed, just don't use that wallet. Create a new one. Okay, you can create 1,000 wallets in a day. It's free. So pay attention. Okay, your wallet should be something like hello, mango, apostrophe, orange, water, man, car, exclamation, mathematics, something like that, something that someone cannot easily guess, that does not make any sense. That's how your seed phrase or your backup phrase should look like, not something that can easily be guessed. Okay, yeah. If you find this helpful, you know what to do already. Share with your contact for them to also learn as well. Don't keep information to yourself. All right, yeah, and drop a thought in the comment section. It's Crypto Sam as always now. See you on the next one, guys. Okay, yeah, it's weekend. Yeah, it's a weekend to touch grass. Yeah, I'm going out to touch grass. It has not been easy. Okay, it has been a long week, guys. Yeah, let's go out and touch grass. Okay, yeah.